YouTube? We are back with another video, and we got another monthly reset. And when I tell you, child, 2024 then turned me every way but freaking loose. Like, actually doing a year reflection is like, it has to be a joke. Like, there's no way that how you plan for stuff to go and then the reality of it, it's just like, child, y'all done drug me every way but loose. Every way. Which way but loose. So with that being said, we need to do a monthly reset. Now granted, I'm not gonna lie, it's December 3rd. I'm not gonna lie to you. It's December 3rd, we already in the month. And we still need stuff that we need to reflect. We need to still do our goals. We still need to reset our calendar. We need to reflect on our goals. We need to make sure that we have stuff lined up for the new year. Cause child is right around the corner. It's gonna be 2025, and if you still not getting yourself together, what is it? Hold on, I seen this post. My friend shared this post and it says, you're afraid to start a 4-year course because you're 25, and by the time you finish you'll be 29. Whether you take the course or not, in 4 years you'll still be 29. So why not be 29 doing something you love? Life has no timeline or formula. Stop comparing yourself to others. That's it. That's the post. I feel like regardless of what happens in life, and regardless of how stuff goes, like, I get a lot of people telling me, like, even for YouTube references and stuff like that, like, oh, like, your channel has grown and stuff like that, I want to wait until this, or I want to wait until that. Okay, you waiting until this time frame, or you waiting until this age or something like that, but 9 times out of 10, when you hit that time frame or that deadline that you gave yourself originally, time has passed, you're still the same person. Nothing new has came about. So why wait? And this is a sign for anybody with anything. Why wait until the last minute to do anything and not get it done now? So with that being said, we about to get some stuff done. I'm really tired, but I need to clean up and I need to do these monthly reset goals and stuff like that. And it's a part of having discipline. You got to do it tired. So this is us about to do it tired. I still need to edit a YouTube video to post for tomorrow. So I think that I'm gonna start cleaning, then edit some, then clean, then I don't know, but I need to get all this done by the end of the night tonight. So we got 4 hours basically. So what can we get done in 4 hours? We finna see. But hopefully y'all really are resetting and detoxing and cleansing yourself before the new year comes, because like I always say, if not you, then who gonna do it for you? Nobody's doing it for you. So let's get to it.
Yeah, I want it. What you gonna do? What's she gonna do, y'all?
Get your bitch.
She talking about her angles. Let me show y'all an angle. Who are you talking to?
Get them off the floor.
They're not on the floor. I'm just showing them the angles.
You ain't big dog.
You right, you big dog.
How strange that nature does not knock and yet does not intrude. He loves me. He loves me. I don't know why.
Tone of your damn voice.
Well, it's not my fault you don't know the difference between real bacon and bacon bits. I really need to be done already because I need to get to editing this video and planning out content or just resetting. So we're almost there. He helped me out folding my clothes, you know. He's very much appreciated or whatever. Alright, I'm finna put these clothes up and then we can, you feel me? Yeah. Talking on the phone, I'm sick of conversations. I'm coming to your crib and you already know what it is. Shut up. Shut up. Alright, so everything else is done. Realistically, I'm gonna just go ahead. I hate that it's a blur. I'm gonna go ahead and reset this board. Just so that's one last thing that I gotta do. I see you still kicking with these options. I'm the only reason why your ass got Meg snap. I used to fuck with you, I was playing these games, laying the beast up so I literally just finished editing this video. It is 9:48 p.m. and now I'm about to do some of my goals tonight, but I'm probably not gonna do them all because I am tired and I need to be up at 6 in the morning. So I'm gonna do some of my goals and then we're gonna hop in the shower.
Don't hesitate to call on me for anything. Like you said, a human being, I'm going to make you take that chance. Things have been different for me ever since I met Hildy. I've never met anyone quite like her before.
Alright, so I went ahead and finished off my goals and stuff like that. Realistically, it's a lot that I still need to get done, but that's okay. So make sure that you reset for the month of December and make sure that you are holding yourself accountable regardless of what happened. I don't care if you have a full-time job or part-time job, if you in school working or nothing like that. Remember what I told y'all about the 4 years. And at the end of the day, if you're not making it happen, ain't nobody gonna make it happen for you. I am literally tired. I edited a video. Y'all know how y'all be like, it shouldn't take that long, and it took longer than expected, but I got it done. I got a whole video edited and scheduled to post. I filmed the whole video and I knocked out all of my monthly reset stuff that I need to do for the month. So if you're not doing it, then what you doing? So make sure that y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the bell so you get notified every time that I post. And I'm out. Bye.